Hi everyone, I'm Jude Baragon from Criminology 11 and I make this video to discuss about the three theories on the subject in theories of crime causation. Let's start to the foundation of trait theory. So we have three types of body builds were identified. So first is mesomorph. Mesomorph have well-developed muscles and an athletic appearance. They are active, aggressive, sometimes violent, and the most likely to become a criminal. Second is endomorphs. Endomorphs have heavy builds and are slow-moving. They are known for lethargic behavior, rendering them unlikely to commit violent crime and more willing to engage in the strenuous criminal activity such as fencing, stolen property. Last is ectomorphs. Ectomorphs are tall, thin, and less social and more intellectual than the other types. Let's move to our next topic, which is sociobiology. Sociobiology is a field of biology that aims to explain and examine social behaviors in terms of evolution, to investigate social behaviors such as mating patterns, territorial fights, pack hunting, and the hive society of social insects. Let's move on our next topic, which is biosocial perspective on criminality. So as you can see in your left side, the personal characteristics make each person unique: cause of biochemical makeup, genetic code, neurological condition, that inclusive on the traits. And also in your right side, you may see the social environment influences behavior, cause of parents, peers, school, neighborhood, that inclusive on the environment. After that, the trait and environment move from ability to learn and achieve the human behavior and divide it into two, which is conformity and crime. Let's move to our another topic, which is biochemical conditions and crime. The major premise of the theory is that crime, especially violence, is a function of diet, vitamin intake, hormonal imbalance, or food allergies. The strength of the theory are that it explains irrational violence, which shows how the environment interacts with personal traits. To influence behavior, the research focuses of the theory are diet, hormones, enzymes, environmental contaminants, and lead intake. Also, I will show you the other definition of biochemical theory. So let's move from our another topic again, which is neurophysiological conditions and crime. The major premise of the theory is that criminals and delinquents often suffer brain impairments as measured by the EEG, attention deficit, hyperactivity disorder, and minimal brain dysfunction are related to antisocial behavior. The strength of the theory are that it explains irrational violence. It shows how the environment interacts with personal traits to influence behavior. The research focus of the theory are ADD, ADHD, learning disabilities, brain injuries, and brain chemistry. Also, I'll show you the other definition of neurophysiological theory. So now the topic that I'm going to discuss is all about genetics and crime. The major premise of the theory is that criminal traits and predispositions are inherited. The criminality of parents can predict the delinquency of children. The strength of the theory are that it explains why only a small percentage of youth in high crime areas become chronic offenders. The research focuses of the theory are twin behavior, siblings behavior, and parent-child similarities. Evolutionary theory. The major premise of the theory is that as the human race evolved, traits and characteristics have become ingrained. Some of these traits make people aggressive and predisposed to commit crime. The strength of the theory are that it explains high violence rates and aggregate gender differences in the crime rate. The research focuses of the theory are gender differences and understanding human aggression. So now I tackle about the psychological trait theories and I start with psychodynamic theory. The major premise of the theory is that the development of unconscious personality early in childhood influences. The strength of the theory are that it explains the onset of crime and why crime and drug abuse can't cross class lines. behavior for the rest of the person's life. Criminals have weak egos and damaged personalities. The research focuses of the theory are on mental disorders, personality development, and unconscious motivations and drives. Second is behavioral theory. The major premise of the theory is that people commit crime when they model their behavior after the others see being rewarded for similar acts. Behavior is reinforced by rewards and extinguished by punishment. The strengths of the theory are that it explains the role of significant others in the crime process. It shows how the media can influence crime and violence. The research focuses of the theory are the media and violence, as well as the effects of the child abuse. And last is cognitive theory. The major premise of the theory is that individual reasoning processes influence behavior. Reasoning is influenced by the way people perceive their environment. The strength of the theory are that it shows why criminal behavior patterns change over time as they mature and develop their reasoning powers. It may explain the aging out process. The research focuses of the theory are perception and cognition. So that's the end of my video. I hope you like it and thanks for watching.